What's up, you guys? This is your girl Sherfit Johnson, and I'm coming to you guys with a wintertime wash day routine. This video is going to be broken up into two parts because there's no way I can get all of this hair stuff down in a matter of 5 minutes or less. So this is part one, where I am basically washing my hair. I have my hair split up in two sections and I let the water run through it. I am very excited to be showing you guys my wash day routine because I've never ever done it here on my channel. I'm sure you've seen hundreds and thousands of wash day routines, but this one I decided to get on camera and show you because I found a shampoo that works with my hair, that loves my hair, that moisturizes my hair, and actually helps me detangle my hair before I even condition. Never in my 21 years of living and my 5+ years of being a natural girl could I ever detangle my hair with shampoo. As we know, shampoo strips our hair and makes it dry, and that's why we have to add the conditioner. But as you can see here, guys, look at me detangling my hair with this shampoo. This is my new favorite shampoo, and all the product details will be down in my description box. Of course, if you have any questions for me, leave it down and I will reply to you. But I just want you guys to look at this. I am shook. I am so shook. And if you knew about this already, you need to put it down below, because when I found out that this shampoo could do this, I decided I will never in my life try another shampoo again. And not only did I love this shampoo, but this shampoo has a conditioner to go with it, and it works just as well. And because my hair is already detangled, I didn't have any problems. Not only that, have y'all ever read on a bottle where it says you only need a dime size amount? And that's actually never the case, especially for us natural girls. Well, on using this product, I literally only needed a dime size amount for each section. Like, when I tell you, I don't know what type of sorcery this was. I have no idea. But you don't even see the product in my hair. But when I tell you, it coated every strand, guys, this is my hair fully detangled. You can see some length on my hair. You can see me running my fingers through my hair manageably. And you don't see any white residue. Usually when I condition my hair, guys, I have tons of conditioner in my hair. But right now, I barely have any conditioner. And I am easily able to detangle my hair. I am shook at both of these products. And I will continue to use these products because they were amazing. I'm just giving you guys a little bit of a length check here. And I am rinsing out that conditioner. Guys, when I tell you, these are my two new favorite products. I am legit serious. And I'd never used these two products before because they're mad expensive. I have heard of them a lot on the natural brand. But you guys, I'm in college. I don't have time to be spending over $20 for shampoo and conditioner. But I got this one at TJMAXX, and it was $7.99. So I'm okay with a price of $7.99. So I'm all done here, and this is just a bit of my texture. I have tighter curls in the back, and also my hair is a little bit color treated. But if you want to see how I go from this right here until this, I would definitely check out part 2 of my video, you guys. Until next time, peace.